Welcome to Gentle Whispers. Today, I want to share something that could change your life after 50. Did you know that your body loses 3 to 5% of muscle mass every decade after 30? But there's good news. Just 5 minutes of targeted exercise daily can reverse much of this decline. The aging process is natural, but accelerated aging is not. When we reach our 50s, our bodies begin to change more rapidly. Joint flexibility decreases, muscle strength diminishes, balance becomes more challenging. But these changes don't have to define your golden years. Let me share 5 simple exercises that take just 5 minutes total. First, gentle shoulder rolls. 30 seconds, forward and backward. This reduces tension in your neck and shoulders, areas that often hold stress as we age. Second, seated knee lifts. 30 seconds on each leg. This strengthens your core and improves lower body strength without straining joints. Third, ankle rotations. 15 seconds clockwise, 15 seconds counterclockwise for each ankle. This improves circulation and maintains mobility in a commonly overlooked area. Fourth, gentle torso twists. 1 minute, alternating sides. This helps maintain spinal flexibility, which is crucial for everyday movements. Finally, deep breathing with arm raises. 1 minute, breathe in as you raise your arms. Breathe out as you lower them. This combines respiratory health with gentle shoulder mobility. These exercises are suitable for nearly everyone, but always check with your doctor if you have concerns. The beauty of this routine? It requires no special equipment. It can be done seated if needed, and it takes just 5 minutes of your day. Consistency is more important than intensity. Every day is better than once a week intensely. Remember, movement is medicine, especially after 50. Your body is designed to move, and it will thank you for these 5 minutes. I'd love to hear how this routine works for you in the comments. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, gentle movements lead to profound changes. Take care of yourself. You deserve it.